waking me and draining the glass, cross-legged on the bar stool like nobody sits anymore. She said, Andy, you're taking me home, but I knew she planned to sleep alone. I'd carry her in bed, sweep up the hair from the floor. And if I'd fucked her before she got sick, I'd never hear the end of it. But she don't have the spirit for that now. We drink our drinks and laugh out loud, bitch about the weekend crowd, and try to ignore the elephant somehow. She said, Andy, you crack me up, drinking Seagram's in a coffee cup. Sharecropper eyes, her hair almost all gone. Once she got drunk, she made cancer jokes. She made up her own doctor's notes, and surrounded by her family, I saw that she was dying alone. So I'd sing her a classic country song, she'd get high and sing along, but she don't have much voice to sing with now. We burn these joints in effigy, and we cry about what we used to be. Try to ignore the elephants somehow. And I've buried her 1,000 times, given up my place in line, but I don't give a damn about that. There's one thing that's real clear to me: no one dies with dignity. We just try to ignore the elephants somehow. We just try to ignore the elephant somehow. We just try.